Yeah. You can see. Beckham, did you take pictures over here? Yes. Okay. Yeah, he's got his plastic bag. He's got his digital skills. He's got the knife he's cutting it up with. And then there's that right there. So we need to get some pictures of that.
Is there a gun in this house?
There's not one in the house.
If he had, where did he keep his gun?
Always on him.
He always had it on him?
Leave it around.
One of these cars he's outside?
That gray one.
Which one?
The gray one. This gray Cougar.
Is it the one that's parked here at the back?
Yeah, look might get up.
No, that's fine. Just think.
If it's the gray Cougar with the back shot window, that's it. The ours on the road.
Okay. A revolver sitting there in the driver's seat. This is where he was coming when he came out the front door.
Doesn't look like it's loaded. That's where he would be.
He was coming out to the car here.
You never know when something's going to happen to us.
Yeah.
Everything in the house is mine. Everything.
Everything is mine.
Everything that weed, snails, everything that has to do with any drugs.
So none of that's theirs. You want to write me a statement saying it's yours?
Yeah, all this mine.
Okay. Will you write me a statement saying that?
Yeah.
Okay.
Alright, we just gotta get some paperwork started, get some pictures taken care of, and we still gotta talk to Francisco and Ash a little bit more. And like I said, I'll be taking you out to Potter County, okay?
Appreciate your cooperation.
They understand what you're under arrest for? You got a warrant? I don't want to mess up my clothes. Okay. You get a warrant out for your arrest, and obviously you're under arrest for a narcotics violation as well for the possession of marijuana.